Hi there everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to talk about The Unfinished, aka Matt Boulder, and my favorite libraries of his. If you don't know the man, Matt Boulder runs theunfinished.co.uk, a website that's full of synthesizer presets that you should definitely check out. His most remarkable libraries were made for Zebra and Omnisphere, in my humble opinion, and I would like to share a few patches of his with you guys into those two instruments that I use on a daily basis. Here are a few examples. For the purpose of this video and because I like the colors more, I'm gonna use the HZ version of Zebra, but the patches themselves will be the original, the standard version. Here is Zebra Chronos to begin with. What I like about the Zebra libraries from Matt is the fact that all XY paths here are full, and you have decent routings for each and every one of them. That's very important, very inspiring, and I use this feature every single time. Let's go back to the presets. My Mister is really inspiring, isn't it? Wow. Lots of bass lines too. Oh my god. Yeah, this one is really inspired by The Distance Between Dreams by Junkie XL, for sure. So let's play some basses without arpeggio. By the way, forgive my playing. I'm just on a small keyboard here for the purpose of this video. Lovely. Some drums. And the list goes on and on. Some leads. Change the root key here. Lovely. The loops are always great. Perfect for underscoring, but also into my progressive house productions. Some great pads here. It's just one finger. Wow. I have to mark it as favorite. It's just amazing. Oh my god. This is just one library, Zebra Kronos. One of my favorite of his. My second favorite, or even no, that's the first one definitely. Zebra Lazarus from him is absolutely mind blowing. Listen to this. Lovely. Same concept, bass lines. Nain is really cool. Love that. And again, we have bass lines, keys, very cool keys here. Lovely effects here. Quite 80s. Some pads again. Let's check the XY. Yeah, you see a lot of. Somehow with the pads, each and every single patch is a track on its own. It's amazing, isn't it? We have soundscapes. Sometimes they are a lot less playable, depending on the patch, but even transition effects here and sequences. Just one finger. You know what? Let's use Show MIDI by Plugin Guru so you can see exactly what's going on here with cool, eh? Amazing. If that doesn't inspire you, and that's just one library, and there is a deluxe edition with a whopping 500 patches, something like that. That's the bundle here with all the patches. And if you have, like here with me, a Dark Zebra, you get, you know, with the deluxe edition, the Dark Zebra, you get, well, let's say extra patches. So amazing. There is so much more. It's just, I think that Gravistar is also from him. Really cool. Yeah, here it is. Xavio. Long Park was one of my favorite. Yeah, I know why. Sorry, once again, I'm on a small keyboard, so my playing is quite shitty. Again, you know, List goes on and on and on and on. I've got like 4 or 5,000 patches of his now, and there's no going back. And every single time he comes up with something new, it's always amazing. It doesn't make me lazy either, you know, because I make my own patches and I transform those quickly with my plugins, especially FatFX, SapFX, Tantra, and the likes. Well, you know, the usual suspects, to transform your presets and make them unrecognizable. That was only Zebra, and yet we also have Omnisphere. And in Omnisphere, I've got, of course, Amara. That's really, really, really cool. But I wanted to put my finger on another library of his. It's an older one, but it's really, really cool. And it's called Ferox, Omnisphere Ferox, and contains lots of ARP and BPM patches, once again. And you have to listen to them. They are mainly influenced by the works of Trent Reznor. So you will hear in a second. So really gritty and noisy. Lovely. Lovely. So much inspiration from those patches on their own. You have to keep in mind that Omnisphere on its own is a giant box of toys full of samples and multi-samples, and you really have to find yours when you're a patch maker in order to make something different. And this is Matt's forte with Omnisphere. He always finds the right samples that no one else is using, just like the MT240 here. Listen to this, amazing. Very noisy version of the Xperry bass by Diego Stocco playing it here. Lovely. And we have hybrid instruments. Change the root key here. Lovely. Noisy, gritty, etc. Yeah, definitely. You see, perfect balance. Not always too many modulations. You see, it's quite limited here, but it's always worth it. Let's go to the pads, just for a minute. These have almost nothing else to do with the original samples, so well done. Subtle. Once again, a track on its own. Ekaterina Berg. Emissions here. Lillehammer. And once again, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. So this is my piece of advice for you aspiring musicians. Instead of buying the latest version of each synthesizer, just focus on the main ones. Save your money and buy some patches. Those patches from the Unfinished, just like mine, just like those from Plugin Guru, are inexpensive. And they will renew your catalog of patches inside the software, and they will help you understand how each synthesizer works in a better way. So that's my piece of advice. Instead of buying new virtual instruments, buy patches instead, and you will thank me later. That's it for this video. I hope you liked the work from Matt Boulder, aka The Unfinished, that I presented here in this video. Like, comment, and share this video with all your friends and your contacts if you want. And if you would like to see more content like this on my channels, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching once again. See you in a future video. Bye!